Hi, Star 884 here. I sell costume jewelry on Whatnot and Poshmark, and today I'm going to show you how to replace rhinestones in a brooch. If there are any pieces that you want to sell, please be fair and let the customer know in the description exactly what was repaired. Plastic tweezers, E6000 glue, rhinestones. I use an unraveled paper clip to place the glue on the brooch. Carefully use the tweezers to set the rhinestone and put a little gentle pressure on the stone. When you're done placing your new rhinestones, you're going to have to let it set for several hours to set in. Good as new and ready to sell.